Okay, guys. So we'll be talking about active and passive voice. We have finished the tenses part, right? So we'll be talking about active and passive voice. Now, active voice, passive voice. You might have heard it till now. Active voice, passive voice क्या होती है? कोई भी active sentence है, the subject is the doer. किसी भी एक्टिव सेंटेंस में इफ एन एक्शन इज बीइंग डन टू दी सब्जेक्ट, किसी भी सब्जेक्ट को अगर कुछ एक्शन किया जाता है, द सेंटेंस विल बी इन पैसिव वॉइस, वो सेंटेंस पैसिव वॉइस में चला जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी से शी राइट्स अ लेटर टू हर मदर, दिस इज अ डायरेक्ट सेंटेंस, एक्टिव वॉइस. अ लेटर इज रिटन टू हर मदर बाय हर, अपनी मां को वो लेटर लिख रही है, ये पैसिव वॉइस है. So how can we differentiate between them? We can say in most of the sentences of the sentences, the object of the active sentences. So बहुत सारे ऐसे sentences में the object of the active sentences becomes the subject in the passive sentence. Passive sentence में वो subject बन जाता है. Right? So the finite verb changes in agreement with the new subject. नए subject के साथ जो finite verb है वो change हो जाता है. Changes in agreement with the new subject. Right? इसको हम active और passive voice कहते हैं. We'll understand them basis tenses wise changes. क्या क्या changes आते हैं हर एक tense में. So we start with simple present tense, present indefinite tense. So सबसे पहला आता है simple present tense या present indefinite tense. So if I can further differentiate it, I can differentiate it basis the affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences. Passive voice कैसे flow करती है? So the passive voice में क्या होगा? जो भी हम सब्जेक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं वो सब्जेक्ट होगा, प्लस is या am होगा या are होगा, प्लस verb थर्ड फॉर्म, प्लस by, प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. सो इतना कुछ होगा पैसिव वॉइस में, राइट? सो इफ आई से, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई से अ सॉन्ग इज sung by him. A song is sung by him, right? I can also say pictures are painted by him. Pictures are painted by him. ठीक है? Next, this was affirmative. After this, affirmative कौन से होते हैं? Yes वाले. So the negative sentences. Now negative sentences में passive voice कैसे move करेगी? We all know how does the active voice moves, right? So ये तो passive voice थी. अगर मैं इसका active करूं तो क्या होगा? What will be its active? The active voice will be he sings a song. वो एक गाना गाता है, ठीक है? ये उसकी पैसिव वॉइस हो गई. क्लियर? अब पिक्चर्स आर पेंटेड बाय हिम. सो बाय हिम आ गया ना, सो इट मींस एक पैसिव वॉइस है. तो इसकी एक्टिव वॉइस क्या होगी? इसकी एक्टिव वॉइस हो गई ही पेंट्स द पिक्चर. ओके, सो या ही paint the pictures. Okay, so this was the active passive. Negative sentences के केस में passive voice को हम क्या करते हैं? If you remember, negative sentences में passive voice का हमने एक बार पहले भी पढ़ा था. So it says it will be subject plus is, am, are, right? So it is, till now it is same, subject is, am, are, plus we use the word not, plus v3, plus by, plus object. So what is the difference between affirmative and negative here? Affirmative means जो yes में होता है, जो positive होता है, straight forward होता है. Negative means something which is in addition to which has in addition to the affirmative a word not attached to it, right? So if I say I do not make a noise, I do not make a noise, okay, a noise is not made by me. So I का me हो गया, noise same है, a noise ठीक है, is not made by me, so this becomes a passive voice. Okay, next is interrogative. Interrogative sentence. So how can we do it with interrogative sentences? What can we do with them? Interrogative sentences में passive कैसे बनेगा? If I say we started with is, am, are, is, am, are plus subject plus verb की third form plus by plus object. So everything else remains the same, but we started with the question is, am, or are, right? So we have to put a question mark in the end. This is how we express the interrogative sentences. So if I say, do you love your countrymen? Do you love your countrymen? This is a direct sentence. What can be the sentence in case of an active or in case of a passive voice? Are your countrymen? So we started with are, right? Are your countrymen loved by you? Okay. So are your countrymen loved by you? This becomes a passive voice. Okay. This becomes a passive voice. These were for simple present tenses. Now, the next one. This is for the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense. So, present continuous tense, how do we do it with affirmatives? So, हम passive में क्या करते हैं affirmative के केस में? We started with subject plus is, am, are. Subject is, am, are. Now, in addition to this, we put being plus everything remains the same. V3 plus by plus object. So everything else remains the same. We only use being along with. Satish is flying a kite. This is a direct sentence, active voice. Satish is flying a kite. So a kite जो अभी भी कर रहा है is being flown by Satish. So he is doing it even now. So kite is being flown by Satish. Clear? Next, negative sentences. So how do we do it with negative sentences? The passive voice, it becomes with not attached to it. Okay, so if I say everything else remains the same, but we attach not, where do we attach this not? Subject is mr plus not plus being plus v3 plus by plus object. Okay, now the example is he is not playing cricket. He is not playing cricket. वो cricket नहीं खेल रहा. So passive voice क्या होगी? Cricket is not being played by him. So cricket is not being played by him. ये passive voice. Okay. For interrogatives, for interrogative sentences, so passive voice क्या होगी? What will be the passive voice? The passive voice will remain the same except it will be started with is, am or are and followed by subject. So subject will appear here. Everything else remains the same. So how would it be? Is, am, are plus subject plus being plus v3 plus by plus object, and last में we add sign of interrogation. Is the child tearing the books? Is the child tearing the books? क्या जो बच्चा है वो किताबें फाड़ रहा है? Tearing the books. So how do we start it with? Are the books being torn? So tear, torn. By the child. Are the books being torn by the child? Okay. So next we are studying for the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect. Present perfect में क्या करते हैं हम? Same three patterns. So we start with A, which is affirmative sentences. So affirmative sentences में हम passive को कैसे बनाएंगे? If I say need to add all of them. So present perfect जिसमें has या have आता है. Okay, so that is present perfect. So हम क्या कहेंगे? Subject is, am, are नहीं आएगा उसमें क्या आएगा? या तो आएगा has या have. So we replace it with is, am, are. उसके साथ क्या आएगा? Being plus v3 plus by plus object, right? So active voice में हम क्या लिखते हैं? She has broken the cup. उसने कप तोड़ दिया. Okay. The cup अब सिंगल है तो has आएगा. Has been broken by her. The cup has been broken by her. कप जो है वो उससे टूट गया. Has been broken by her. Now, in case of negative sentences, So we have read it till now that negative sentences में हम not add करते हैं. So कहाँ पे not add करेंगे? सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे has have. Okay? इसके साथ में will put not. Then we will put be, and rest of all remains the same. Now what would it be? He has not written an interesting story. He has not written an interesting story. उसने कोई इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी नहीं लिखी है. एक्टिव वॉइस है. अब पैसिव क्या बनाएंगे? An interesting story has not been written by him. कोई भी अच्छी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी उसके द्वारा नहीं लिखी गई है. has not been written by him. Okay. C. Interrogative. What do we do with interrogatives? So we started with interrogations. So interrogations में हम कैसे शुरू करेंगे? We will start it with has or have. Then we add a subject. Please remember, in case of interrogative sentences, we have to start it with has and have, and we have to add subject to it. Okay? So after has and have, the subject will come, and after the subject, been तो आएगा ही, plus V3 plus by plus object. Last में sign of interrogation. So we have to understand this. Okay. So has he identified a buyer for his house? Has he identified a buyer for his house? Direct sentence. अब इसका indirect क्या बनेगा? Has a buyer for his house being identified by him? Has a buyer for his house been identified by him? Right, guys? These were for present tense sentences. Then it is for the past tense. So past tense. We are starting with simple past. What is the other name for simple past? We can say past indefinite tense. So past indefinite tense. Again, we start with the same. What do we do in case of affirmative sentences? Affirmative, यानी कि जो पॉजिटिव वाले होते हैं, प्लस वाले होते हैं, उनमें हम क्या करते हैं? Affirmative. Subject. अब हमने प्रेजेंट में क्या लिखा था? इज एम आर. और पास्ट में क्या आएगा? वॉज और वर्ब. बाकी remains the same. V3 plus by plus object. Right? So V3 plus by plus object. So rest all remains the same. So if I write, she made a new doll. She made a new doll. This is an active sentence. What would be its passive? So the passive would be a new doll was made by her. A new doll was made by her. She made a new doll. A new doll was made by her. This is the passive sentence, passive voice. Okay. This was for affirmative sentences. What it would be for negative sentences? The difference remains the same. सिर्फ हम इसमें not add कर देंगे, बाकियों में हम not add नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है, सो हम इसमें not add कर देंगे. कहां पे ऐड करेंगे not? was और were के बाद. was और were के बाद हम not ऐड करेंगे, राइट? So the sentences would be subject, was on verb, not, V3, by plus object. ये हमारा सेंटेंस पैटर्न, सेंटेंस सीक्वेंस रहेगा, राइट? सो अगर मैं कहूं he did not wash his face, उसने अपना फेस नहीं धोया है. He did not wash his face. His face was not washed by him. His face was not washed by him, right? So उसने अपना फेस नहीं धोया, उसका फेस नहीं धोया गया. इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. सो इंटेरोगेटिव में पैसिव में क्या होगा? सब्जेक्ट प्लस was, were plus not plus V3 plus by plus object. So क्या होगा? ये है नेगेटिव का केस जिसमें हम सब्जेक्ट was, were, not, V3 by ऑब्जेक्ट लगाते हैं. अब हाउ टू बी डिफरेंशिएट इट? सबसे पहले इंटेरोगेशन ऐड कर दी हमने, वी हैव डिफरेंशिएटेड इट. अब इट इज वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हम कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. सो वी ऑलवेज स्टार्ट इट विद was एंड verb, was और verb, I mean either case, plus we will write the subject plus we will not write not. So was, were, subject, V3 by object and sign of interrogation, right? So this is the sequence how we make a normal sentence to a passive voiced interrogative sentence. So if I say did he take some exercise in the morning, क्या उसने सुबह कोई एक्सरसाइज की? Was some exercise taken by him in the morning? कोई एक्सरसाइज उसके द्वारा की गई. ठीक है, होमवर्क किया, सो कोई एक्सरसाइज उसके द्वारा की गई, राइट? नेक्स्ट, right? Then it is past continuous tense. So past continuous tense, the process remains the same. We start with affirmative, We start with the affirmative sentences. So affirmative में passive हम कैसे बनाते हैं? अफर्मेटिव हम पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस की बात कर रहे हैं. पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में क्या आएगा? सब्जेक्ट, was, were, being, v3 plus by plus object. So subject, was, were, being, v3 by object. ये आता है. The soldier was waving at the Indian flag. Soldier Indian flag के wave कर रहा था, right? So passive क्या होगा? The Indian flag was being waved by the soldier. Now, I have not till used the word at, which was there in the direct sentence. So, what will I write? The soldier was waving at the Indian flag. The Indian flag was being waved by the soldier. Where will I use this word at? The Indian flag was being waved at by the soldier, right? This is where I use the at. Okay. Next, B. So this was for affirmative. The next would be for negative. Now negative में हम क्या करेंगे? Affirmative वाला same होगा with a slight difference. The difference would be use of not. So use of not. So क्या क्या था? ये affirmative वाला था सारा. Subject plus was, were plus not plus being plus v3 plus by plus object, right? So direct sentence क्या हो गया? The boys were not playing football. The boys were not playing football. So the sentence would be football was not being played by the boys, right? So negative sentence. Next is interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Passive. Interrogative में passive हम कैसे यूज करते हैं? ये हमारा affirmative था, इसी को हमने not ऐड किया तो क्या बना दिया? Negative. अब इसी में हम interrogation ऐड करेंगे. We'll start the sentence with was and were. ठीक है? Was, were plus subject plus being plus v3 plus by plus object plus sign of interrogation. So why I am deleting or adding is just to make you sure that बाकी सब में हम subject पहले use कर रहे हैं. There is very little or slight difference between them. So it does not have much or bigger difference, right? So इसलिए आपको express करने के लिए I am doing this. So were the poor children breaking the stones? Were the poor children breaking the stones? सो वर से शुरू किया, साइन ऑफ इंटरोगेशन आएगा. नाउ व्हाट वुड बी द पैसिव वॉइस? द पैसिव वॉइस इज वर द स्टोन्स being broken by the poor children. Were the stones being broken by the poor children, right? So this is interrogative sentence, past continuous. Okay.